and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the 2-litre diesel SE nav, and it's also 4Motion, so it's all-wheel drive and it's automatic. You've got your really nice alloy wheels, and it's finished in a really nice deep black pearlescent paint. You've got the chrome window surrounds and roof rails, and you've got your rear tinted windows. As I bring you around the back, you can see you've got your 4Motion badge, so it means it's 4-wheel drive, so it's perfect in the winter conditions. I'll open the boot and show you inside there. So as you can see, there's plenty of boot space, so you definitely won't be struggling for room with this car. You've also got heated and folding door mirrors, so they give you that extra bit of security when you're parking on narrow roads. So inside the rear, you can see there's plenty of space, so it would be a perfect family car. It's in a really lovely condition with the diamond quilted cloth. You've also got your seat trays, so you just click and pull, and you've also got the drinks holders as well, so it's perfect for the kids to put their iPads on or for their lunch while you're on the longer journeys. There's another look at the alloys. So I'll get in and start the car up, and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display, you have got your sat-nav system built in, and it's really clear and easy to use. You've also got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you've got. You've also got 3-zone climate control, and it is DSG, so it's automatic. You've also got drive-in mode selector, so you can choose between the different modes depending on how you want the car to feel when you're driving it. They also have front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting in and out of those tight spaces. Onto your steering wheel, you've got your controls on the left. You've also got your really nice instrument cluster, and as you can see, it's covered just over 39,000 miles. Automatic headlights, and your heated and folding door mirrors. You've got your really nice silver inserts on the dash and on the door, and I'll just give you a close-up of the cloth. It's in a really lovely condition, there's no marks or tears or anything in any of the cloth. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested or have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.